So now you can begin the GD.
We should not blame each other for climate change, and we should try to minimize the effect of climate change by uh, improving ourselves and our society.
Yes, I am agree with my friend. We need to work on ourselves. We need to use public vehicles and purchasing electronic vehicles and bans on the diesel vehicles and petrol vehicles.
Yes, I am agree with you, and this is too necessary to aware of everyone about it. We need to do some good for ecology, which is all person have done. That I mean, just like we have used electric things and using that things which is not pollute our environment. We refused to use plastic bags and etc.
This will harms our ozone layer. We have seen in current days a hole in the ozone layer that will cause main cause for our skin cancer, and our government should also work on it. Governments makes a
Yes, our government work on it, but it is our responsibility as a human. We should control our uses towards the nature, and we should reuse our things, like we should use the recycle plastic, and we should control on the pollution. Like we should place the factory in a limited in a limitation, and we should
If
Yes,
we
I
not
agree
only
with the word
not
said
only
by chess
banning the
number 9.
plastic,
We
but we
can't
should
blame
also
every
use
time.
jute bags and etc. And after that, we should also decrease the deforestation and burning the crops and etc. And we should use electric vehicles and reduce the harmful chemical factories which releases harmful gases and harmful acids into the river. And we should ban the plastic because it can may leads to soil erosion, etc.
Yes, I
yes,
am
should
agree with
not
you. And
blaming anyone.
as
It's
we
our
see in the
responsibility
current
to
days,
make
the
our
main cause is
nature good, and we should not blaming each other. We should know our responsibility toward the new nature, and we know our authorities, and we should plant many trees and for the to save our nature and to
yes, I
make
am agree
environment
with
good.
you. Our government should also work on it. Our government promotes a lot of
It is
schemes
not work
like
only for government. It's our responsibility to make our environment strong, and we
yes,
should plant
yes,
trees
bro.
and
it
And
is the
said by
responsibility
chess number
of our government
we
also.
can't blame the government totally. It's our responsibility also.
If we all together work, we can protect the earth and make sure it stays safe and healthy for us and future
It
generation.
is
To
it is
help
Yes,
not
in
possible
and
by only
reduce
a strength.
yes, yes, I am
so the
agree
Always
with
nature
your
there
is
is
views.
support
is
with
very important for our future. So we should plant the trees, and we should go for the electric vehicles, and we should not use the petrol vehicles like our motorcycles, and it when the motorcycles and other vehicles become old, it polluted more. So we should convert our vehicle in electric, and
Now,
This is the bigger thing. I think overpopulation is also a major reason to change our climate environment, because more people wants more things like more water, more food, more our instruments like bike, cars, and etc. Then if we have manage our population, that it is also help to serve our environment.
I'm not blaming the government, but I can give the advice like it should create awareness among the people that we should not use such particular harmful plastics but we should replace it by jute bags and etc. And if we consider the previous chess number statement, yeah, we should improve more
I
multinational companies which manufacture the electric vehicles so that everyone would buy only electric vehicles, and it would be good for our environment. By doing that, we can save our nature like this
yes,
way.
I am agree
It
with
is
you. Our
not
government
only
plays a
for
crucial role
electric
in it. Is
vehicles.
as
We
we
should
see
To
in
take
promote
current
electric
measure.
days,
energy
that
in the comparison of petrol
these
and
we
other
are
things,
seeing
we
a
should
hole in the ozone layer. The hole can help the harmful rays to come
ozone
on us,
layer is
and that can
got damaged.
harm our
We should
skin. For
face the
example, skin
sunlight
cancer,
directly, and it
the
is very
plants and
harmful
the
for us.
animals losing our
And the ozone layer protects us from the bad things of sunlight. So we should not pollute.
Reading by yourself or
We
using
should,
public
yes, we
transport
should
instead
protect the
of
things.
car can
should
also
use
help.
public
It is
transports.
also for that.
We can
This
plant more
main
trees
cause of
for the
depleting in ozone layer is releasing of harmful gases like CFCs, which are considered
There is the
as the
chlorofluorocarbon
chlorofluorocarbon.
already. As
As
we
we
know,
see in current days,
government has
India is
already
war
made
with
strict
Pakistan
laws
and caused a lot
against
of pollution and a lot of technical waste.
Should limited the production of carbon dioxide because it is very harmful for our nature, and we are producing most this gas CO2,
Only
and
carbon dioxide is not
to get
a
rid
reason
of
for
the
the loss of
production of
environment.
CO2, we
Carbon
should
monoxide.
More
The
things,
main
more
cause of
gases
depleting
that
in
we need
ozone
to.
layer is releasing of chlorofluorocarbons by
Yes,
ACs and refrigerators, which we are using nowadays.
yes, I am agree with
should
you,
go on
and we
ancient ways like
that's
we should
uses.
walk in to get rid of the summer. We should go on walk in the evening, and we should get right from
We should only then use our
not only
without
depend
diesel
on the
vehicles when we need to uh, we need to go far distance
we should not
like
only
where we
depend on
cannot
the
go
like
ahead
electric
electric
things like
vehicles.
AC and fridge. We should use our ancient way to live.
before making
Yes,
laws
we
We
and
have
must
also
also
to.
plant more and more trees, which can result in creating a balance of carbon dioxide in our environment. And even prioritizing the solar energy like wind energy.
Not only wind energy,
They
we
focus
have
on it.
more
They subscribe to
energies
the
like
person
water
who
energy,
wants to
have
the
wind
climate change,
energy, have.
promoting the wind
Yes, we have
energy and the
like more
air
energies
Yes, yes.
like
energy.
water energy, wind energy, and solar energy. We should focus on solar energy because now now the solar energy is becoming is one of the biggest.
global warming
That's why
is one
these
of the
renewable
biggest
resources,
challenges facing of
renewable
climate
resources work
today.
as blessings for the climate.
It's referred to gradual increase the Earth's average temperature due to human activities, especially the burning falls like coal and oil, natural gas.
And yes,
This
we have
in
also need to uh, give the awareness in our society, our districts, and we have to need to do any program about it, our environment and climate change like that, and all over people know about it, and he has also do that because when he
Yes,
don't know because in our country most of people we have uneducated and don't know what we should do and what we should not do, then we have to going mini program that we help to do and perform it and uh,
climate change is not related to the academic education. We should aware the people about the nature, and this is not related to academic education. It's about
I
our
will not say
humanity.
I am not saying about academic education. I say just about it. Most
You
of
said
people don't
you can
know
say that
what we should do, what we should not do. Then I will say that we have given it a mini program like just a drama, which is done by us.
you can say
And
that like awareness. We
yes,
should
yes, I also want to
spread
say
awareness.
about awareness.
We should set programs like awareness from for the climate change and You
Yes,
as you can
yes,
say that.
yes, I agree with you. And we have to need to also self. Some people that
We can save the environment reducing greenhouse gas emissions through transitions and renewable energy sources, improving energy efficiency and adopting sustainable agriculture practical.
Through this overall discussion, we can say that the most effective way to reduce
Is crucial
the
for mitigating climate change.
environment issues is plantation. So we should try to make more and more plantation. Also, we should uh, motivate people for planting more trees and protecting our environment.
We should cutting
And
trees
please,
because
but
it's our need,
we should
and
also
we should
decrease the
not depend on.
deforestation by
yes, we have also to break the deforestation, because deforestation is a major reason for the climate change. If we have more plants and trees, then we our climates don't getting normal.
Yes, deforestation has always been the biggest disasters for this climate change. As when there is less amount of trees, the carbon dioxide which the normal produced,
Yes, it
there is
is.
lack of
I
absorbing
want to
of carbon dioxide.
overall
This is
discussion. I
environment
want
good.
my point spread awareness to people to eat more plant-based food and less meat, minimizing reusing and recycling materials, avoid single-use plastics and unnecessary packaging, and planting more trees.
We are cutting trees day by day. We are increasing the number of cutting tree. It's not only harmful for us, it is very harmful for like animals,
And we
especially
feel
we
nowadays
depend on the animals.
Tamil Nadu
Ye-
On.
We
You
cannot
can see the
directly stop.
recently matter of Tamil Nadu, and the
here
people
the
of the
full
college and
forest are
university
cutting.
aware about it.
We cannot directly stop
See the
cutting
any
trees
cutting of
because
matter
To
of
conclude it,
and
stop the GD. The time
forestation.
has time is over. So I'll be sending the results in 10 minutes. I'll just write it down properly and send you guys the results. I'll also check the whatever material you have written.